sorry. Incoming.
I have like 60 minutes of recording time now. I think so. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. This sounds like Volkswagen. Yep, it's Volkswagen.
Oh, slide. Yeah, hurry. I guess I should call him out. Once I can start to
You want me to call for you?
Once I can start to feel my
No,
fingers
absolutely.
fall
No,
down.
no.
I don't want it to start right now. Nuts. I'm going uphill. Are you nuts?
Are you nuts?
Catch up hoist truck.
Oh, jeez, it's a plow. Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh, no, the tow truck is getting
I don't know why he's honking. I'm not gonna help, he's an asshole.
You're not letting him in.
I'm getting some great footage here with this camera. The wide angle lens is really good. Oh, shit. Oh, jeez. Wow. This bus is empty here, right?
Okay, so please.
They don't normally have this bus on this route, right? That's another hybrid or another, what's it called? Yeah.
You know, just clear the jam and you're stuck.
It's not quite helping anymore.
Sorry.
Is the snowball gonna go right to the,
Oh, that guy's just totally look at him.
Oh my God.
Fucking idiot.
Shit, he can't stop it on late. Let's just see what this guy needs here. What do you need?
Well, they were waiting for the pickup truck. Nobody went for the pickup truck. That's what I mean. They're waiting for the pickup truck.
Yeah. Can you not even back up that guy?
You want to help us?
Yeah, hang on. I
don't know.
between across the street.
I know. Well, it's going to be a little while.
There's on the bus. What the hell?
Everybody died.
Oh, this is the guy we helped, 1107.
Yeah? Got called back. You know, I start to feel sorry for the guy. You know?
Who did what?
Who had to have random people help him through. Yeah, do that. Still though.
No, I
do understand. Like it was a little bit bad. It turned into a really awful thing.
He's trying to help. He's trying to get the people home.
It was just good. You know, it kind of sucks. Oh, that's gonna help. Actually, it's good that they've got that.
Yeah.
No, it's a fucking idiot who's going the wrong way. Fuck. Sorry.
I can't even get across the street here to help that guy.
No, I know. Poor guy.
I can't believe. What was he thinking going there? I don't know what he's even thinking.
Smashed a MPV. Those salt trucks they track, man.
Yeah. No kidding.
This is great.
This is so amusing to watch. That whole jam up there. Like the problem is the salt's not even getting into that part of the road because people are just sitting there.
I know.
And then the car's heated up and then it freezes. Why are they all empty? What the hell? Wow, made it. It's impressive.
It's got salt now. You can hear the salt.
Yeah, I know.
Pouring it on. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to run across now.
Need that guy help? A hand or?
You gonna ask him?
Oh, wait for him to shovel it out first.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that bus is going down. Oh, shit.
Almost.
Let's go on that side. I'm gonna take my camera on that side and then we'll.
Is it still filming?
Nope.
While you're moving it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
No, better not.
I thought you were just gonna go farther down the road.
No. Maybe I should. Yeah, it's actually a good idea. These ones aren't as good in the snow, it seems, eh?
Huh?
These ones aren't as good in the snow, it seems.
Something about the snow?
No. The old style Orions don't seem to be as good in the snow.
Yeah, they're better.
No, these ones don't seem to be as good.
Yeah.
They seem to roll back quite an awful lot.
Crap. The old ones are much better.
Is he backing up on purpose there?
Who's this guy?
Oh, shit. What is he doing?
Trying to get ahead?
Oh, jeez.
What a fucking idiot.
Yeah. I gotta bring my camera with me though, I think.
Oh yeah, just plant it in the
Oh
snow.
no, he's gonna get stuck, this guy for sure. Is he gonna make it? No, maybe he'll find it.
Plant it in the snow somewhere across the street.
Yeah.
Heavy enough to do it. Now, what happens when he gets to the hill on the other side? He won't do it in the snow. There's no way. Wait,
Ooh, that guy's going fast.
it's got salt.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, jeez. He's not as full, and I think that may be a problem.
Watch this guy here.
Oh, jeez, look at this guy. Good, it's all on camera, too. This is great. Oh.
Oh,
So is this guy.
so he's plowing all the salt off the road.
Yeah. We're in the middle of the road more.
So that's what he's doing to satisfy himself, like not doing anything wrong.
I wonder why they gave up, brought all the buses back, and then said, okay, we're not going up that hill. Now they're going back up that hill. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Yee. Got that all on camera. Wow. This is really unbelievable.
And this is why Toronto isn't really part of Canada. You know
You know what? If people knew what they were doing, they wouldn't be as good.
yeah. If Quebec was watching this, they would just laugh. I swear to God.
Oh, jeez.
I mean,
I'm just waiting for another fender bender.
yeah. Did you see the plows, the
know.
tag teams with plows and the trucks to clear out Montreal? Did you see that video?
No, is it?
Did
Oh,
I show that to you?
no, he never showed it to me.
Oh, they got like a line of trucks and big snowblower machines to clear it all out. Because they can't plow the snow onto the side of the road.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, that bus got a lot of snow back out with it, eh? Oh, jeez.
Well, I think that plow did a really good job getting the salt off the road.
I think maybe he was doing it on purpose. Oh, look at the Sienna.
I think he was doing it so he could not feel guilty about jumping in front of
You think so? Seems like an odd way to do it.
Yeah.
If you watch my camera, I'll go help those guys.
You want to do that?
Is this like the epic movie?
Andrew, do you need me over there, or what do you want?
Okay. Unless you want to.
Well, do you want me to film it, or what do you want me to do? getting royally stuck. So,
Oh,
is that
yeah?
what you wanted me to do? Is that
Yeah,
what
that was good. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
I don't know what you.
He's
wanted
trying to back
my
down the hill there?
attention for. Huh?
Oh, jeez, that guy. That's all right, yeah. Here come the plows.
I don't know what you're trying to get my attention for. But
Oh, yeah, just that. Ooh. These seem to give up. This is the one that I filmed on the Cumber Hill. It gives up after a while.
It just doesn't have enough torque. It really just doesn't. It's totally full, that thing. I guess he's going to try to reverse it down and turn it around.
I don't know. But the plows can't get by him here, right?
I know.
I tried to push his ass in though. I know, I tried to help the other guy too. Now, the other guy takes off,
I know.
right? You know, like he helps the other guy.
I'd be willing to help if you think the second person would help you.
No, then this does help parking enforcement. Oh, let's see the scanners there?
Yeah.
It's scanning license plates for parking infractions.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
You know,
Do they just, like, scan it and mail it?
Yeah.
Oh, those fucks.
No one even does it for you.
Like, there is no
Yeah, I know.
way
Those bastards.
Like, that does not meet Haiti's
I know.
purpose. There's no way.
I think for absolute liability, like parking things, it is.
Habeas corpus is not related to the type of liability.
To be able to fight your offender?
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Well,
what.
the guy who drove around would come to court, I guess.
I guess if you could get the officer into court, then you're okay. Still kind of shitty, though.
It's collecting so much energy there, right? Listen to it.
No.
It's nice.
Okay, should I aim it further down? Or
33 minutes. That was a really quick half hour.
I want to aim it further down, or what do you want to do?
I think the snow's starting to die out, which is unfortunate. No, I think we're good. He's always been in the camera angle there. Is he gonna make it?
Perfectly good Toyota. Oh, beautiful.
He made it. Wow.
This poor sod is going to get stuck on the side of the road there.
Oh, more buses coming.
It just never stops.
There's not very much snow. He's lucky. There's not very much snow.
Still, though, this means there's not very much salt.
Oh, that's right, 'cause they plow the salt off with it. Right?
Yeah.
Or magic.
So I think I'm going to go try to get my phone.
Oh, yeah.
After I see
No, the car's unlocked. Go ahead.
after I see the buses.
They seem okay. They're all doing fine now. Uh-oh. Oh, that's all done. Oh, look at this guy flashing his lights. Dude, this is pretty good. Oh, no.
I think they finally caught up with it.
There's the same Suburban, eh? I don't know, yeah, go for it.
Yo, video, hurry.
Oh, I am, yeah, go for it. Go ahead.
It's the same guy.
I know, yeah.
It's going to be in that snow. Right.
you talking about a snowplow?
I saw one. I think Katie was pregnant.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. I'll be watching for it.
Well, you turned left. We went right.
What? Go, hit the gas!